I got me another Imperial Armored Marauder, so you know what that means. And yes, these are all Imperial Armored Marauders, just in case anybody's wondering. So now, let's open all these bags to the Imperial Armored Marauder.
The reason I'm touching my phone a lot is so my phone won't turn off by itself.
Wow, just look at this, guys. 4 Imperial Armored Marauders in pieces in one box. Not to mention all the bags that's in the floor. Now, if you're new and wondering what I'm working on, comment down below and I will reply to you. And make sure you leave a follow for more LEGO content.